If you look at the market for floor lamps out there, most of the floor lamps that I see are built around kind of one of two principles. They're either made out of iron tubing or aluminum tubing because it's cheap and easy to make sort of long sections of it, or they have some very kind of straight pieces of wood that they can kind of put together, in some kind of shape. What I wanted to do with this wood was create something that had almost looked like it's made out of one piece, and something that's got a lot of presence and something classic. If you look at dining sets and the sort of the classic Danish furniture, Danish chairs from mid-century modern stuff, it's all made out of dark or reddish colored woods or maple, oil finished, and just has this kind of timeless look to it, and that's what I was really trying to get at. So I built these lamps out of real hardwood. In many cases, I did use a single board for the entire lamp to be able to make it look like it's all made out of one particular length of board. And I think the maple, the cherry, the walnut, those are just very timeless, classic materials that, again, go in any interior.